I get confused between tools, machines, and equipment. Can you explain the difference?
How would you explain the differences? To talk fluently and confidently, you first need to have and understand the vocabulary. So, let's start with today's session. Understanding the words tools, machines, and equipment. In any technical job, using the right tool is important. A tool can be something simple, like a hammer, or something not so simple, like a drill. Tools use the power of a human user, where machines use an external power source, such as a car engine or washing machine. Every machine has different parts or components that work together to perform a function. For example, in a car, the engine is a key component. When you work in a technical field, you often use different kinds of equipment. Equipment means a set of tools and machines you need to do a job. For example, a mechanic's equipment might include wrenches, screwdrivers, and diagnostic machines.
Think about the following situation.
You work in a small workshop. A metal panel's loose and you need to tighten the bolts. On the table you see a hammer, a wrench and a drill. Which tool do you need to use? Explain your choice. I need a... because... In the maintenance area you see three objects: a drill, a washing machine, a screwdriver. Which one is a machine? How do you know it's a machine? You are a new technician in a car repair shop. The manager says, "Please check the diagnostic equipment." Next to you there is a toolbox, a computer and a car engine. Which one is the diagnostic equipment? What does the word equipment mean here? You are training a new apprentice. He asks,
I get confused between tools, machines, and equipment. Can you explain the difference?
a short explanation using this structure. 1. A tool is. 2. A machine is. 3. Equipment is. Then give one example of each from your work or study area.